Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Moralis Speedy Nodes for production-ready RPC detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To install Moralis Speedy Nodes for production-ready RPC, first, visit the Moralis website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Speedy Nodes section in the dashboard. Select the network you want to work with, like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Choose your desired endpoint type, such as HTTP or WebSocket. Note the unique URL provided for your selected node. Open your preferred development environment or terminal. If you are using Node.js, create a new project using npm. Install the necessary libraries, such as Axios for making HTTP requests. In your project, create a new JavaScript file. Import Axios by adding const Axios equals require Axios. Set your Speedy Node URL to a variable. Write an async function to handle your RPC requests. Inside the function, use Axios to make a post request to the node URL. Include the necessary headers, such as content type. Format your JSON RPC request body according to your needs. Call the function and handle the response to confirm the connection. Test your setup with a sample RPC call, like getting the current block number. Check the output to ensure your request was successful. For production, implement appropriate error handling in your code. Consider integrating caching mechanisms for faster response times. Monitor your RPC usage and optimize as necessary. Deploy your application with confidence, knowing it is backed by Moralis Speedy Nodes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.